Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to today's phonics lesson. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Letterland. So how are you going to get to Letterland? I'm going to walk in slow motion to Letterland. Let's all go to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. Let's all jump to Letterland. And we will all our friends. Let's all ride to Letterland. Let's all hop to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. And we will all our friends. And we will all see you there. All right, super job, boys and girls. Before we get started with what we're learning today, I want to review our short vowel sounds. So remember that vowels are very important because they're in almost every word. So we need to know the sounds of these vowels. Ready? So these are the short sounds. Let's try this one. What does Eddie Elephant say? Eh, good. What about Oscar Orange? Ah, good. Impy Ink? Eh, good. Annie Apple, ah, nice. And Uppy Umbrella, good. Now let's try the blank side. What does U say? Good. What does E say? Eh, good. What does O say? Ah. What does I say? Eh. And what does A say? Ah. Good. Make sure you remember those vowel sounds. So we learned about Sammy Snake. He starts words like sad, sand, and sun with his hissing sound. So let's listen to our song again about Sammy Snake.
Sammy Snakes is in words, hissing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, hissing all the time. Hissing with the hissing with the Sammy Snakes is in words, he's hissing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, hissing all the time. Sammy Snakes is in words, hissing all the time. Hissing with the hissing with the Sammy Snakes is in words, he's hissing all the time.
All right, great job, boys and girls. Now we are going to pull out our notebooks and write some words. But before we do that, I want to share Sammy Snake. He sometimes has a little snooze. Can you snooze for a second? Let's take a little break and snooze, just like Sammy Snake. And he makes a sleepy zzz sound instead of his usual hiss in words, like dogs, hills, and is. So let's make our zzz sound while we're hissing, just like Sammy Snake when he's snoozing. Zzz. Very good. So we are going to add an S at the end of some words, and we are going to make a sleepy zzz sound, just like Sammy Snake. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to review our short U words. We learned about short U word families this week, and I know you remember them. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write at least 3 short U words. So I'd like you to do that. Pause the video and write at least 3 short U words so they'll have Uppy Umbrella. Do you remember? Uppy Umbrella says in words. All right, welcome back. I'm going to write some. If you don't have these ones written, then I'd like you to write them with me, okay? We have R-U-G, rug. We also have B-U-T, but. We have S-H-U-T, shut. And we have R-U-N, run. So I'm going to underline our Uppy Umbrella in each of these words. So they all have a sound in them, don't they? They all have Uppy Umbrella, but look, what word family is this word in? That's in the ut word family because it ends in ut. What about this word, but? That's in the ut word family too. What about this word? What word family is that word in? That's in the un word family. What about this word? That's in the ugh word family because it ends in ugh. So remember, sometimes our short U words are in different word families. We have the ugh word family, we have the un word family, and we have the ut word family. Very good job, boys and girls. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a sleepy Sammy snake to some words. A sleepy Sammy snake. And the first thing we're going to do, just like last time, is we are going to write some words and then we're going to add an S to the end. So please do this with me in your notebook. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. We're going to write D-O-G. Dog. We're going to write C-U-B. Cub. We're going to write H-I-L-L. Hill. And we're going to write B-U-G. Bug. So we have some words here. Two of these have a B umbrella in them, don't they? Two of them do not. This has a Oscar orange, and this has impy ink. So sometimes we add S to words. So let's add our sleepy S. So this isn't just Sammy Snake. This is Sleepy Sammy Snake. And what sound does Sleepy Sammy Snake make? Remember when you're snoring? Zzz. Good. So let's add an S to these. Dogs. And you can add some Z's just to show that it's the Sleepy Sammy Snake. We have cubs. Cubs. Please do this with me. Hills. And bugs. Very good. So sometimes Sammy Snake makes a zzz sound because he's sleepy. And when we're sleepy, we make a zzz sound too. Very good job. I am so proud of the work we have done this week in learning about short U sounds and Sammy Snake when he is sleepy and he's not sleepy. When he's not sleepy, what does Sammy Snake sound like? What about when he's sleepy? He's snoozing. Zzz. Very good job. All right. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.